Hot Wheels, Hot Wheels, Hot Wheels. Man, it's so fun to collect Hot Wheels. Hi guys, how's it going? I went to Target today, picked up some new Hot Wheels that I didn't have, and I don't know where these came from, but I think, I don't know. I think these are older, but I found this one. I just opened it up right now. It's a Lotus Sprint. This one's from the British Horsepower Hot Wheels Premium Car Culture set. Number 4 of 5. Now this one looks amazing. I had never found this one before. So this is the first time that I ever see it on the pegs. And I just had to have it. This is a really nice Lotus Sprint in yellow. It looks really cool. And I have a few other Lotus cars in my collection, and I'm going to show you these now. Some really cool Hot Wheels. This one comes with the rubber tires, metal base, as you can see there, and the metal body. So it's pretty heavy. It's got a right side driver, little tiny mirrors there on the side. You can see there's a little indication of mirrors. We have the Lotus name back here. Nice details, a lot of little designs on it. Or trim work, a lot of trim work, really nice. Black trim work all around. The windows are rolled down. And again, it's a right side driver. And rubber tires, we do have the treads on them. Copyright is 2014. Lotus Sprint S1. Check out the license plate. Series 1 says right there on the license plate. And the Sprint right there on the front there. Look how cool that looks. What a nice front end. Really great find for me. I mean, I don't know when these came out, but let's check out the card real quick and see what it says. You might know more than me about this. Now, I do remember seeing this set a long time ago, and I didn't buy it. I passed up on it that day. I think I was tight on funds. And then later, the only one I was able to find was this one right here. And I do have the Morris Mini right here. And I'm just totally surprised to find that Lotus today at Target. Just incredible. So I don't know if they got an old case or somebody made a return. I don't know. I have no idea. So I believe these were out already for a long time, because I found this one a long time ago. And this one's part of the set. Part of the British Horsepower. I do have the box somewhere. British Horsepower set. So now I have 2 from that set. It's really unbelievable that I found one now after all this time has passed. It feels like a long time has passed since I saw these sets. So anyways, let's put them there. And I do have this really cool Hot Wheels Lotus Sprint S1 right here. This one I've had for a long time. It was new for 2015. And it's a James Bond car from the movie 007, The Spy Who Loved Me. This is a great movie if you don't mind the old movies. Kind of like, so different than the new James Bond. This one's kind of more like a comedy with some fantasy in it. And then some serious stuff as well. But totally different way of making the movie. Pretty cool though, I like it. It's a good movie. If you haven't seen it, check it out. There's a lot of funny stuff in it, some really cool action scenes, and this car is amazing in the movie. It turns into a submarine and you can drive it underwater. It's really cool. Amazing scenes with this car. Really cool. So here it is. Hot Wheels put it out in 2015. The James Bond 007 Spy Who Loved Me Lotus Sprint. Really cool. I think they used that same car in For Your Eyes Only, which is another James Bond movie, For Your Eyes Only. So this one's called The Spy Who Loved Me, and then the following movie after this one was For Your Eyes Only. I think he drives the same kind of car, but in red. And in this movie, it was just like this, white. So that's cool that I have another Hot Wheels, and it looks pretty cool. I mean, check it out. This is the new for 2015 one, and then look at it later when it came out as a premium. They both look pretty cool with a lot of detail on both of them. You can tell it's like the same body. I don't know, looks pretty close, right? It looks like they use the same casting. I mean, we can look on the bottom and see. yeah, it looks pretty much the same, I think. And then here's the front end. Pretty cool. Really like this Lotus. So I had to have it. And they also had this one here. Well, let me show you. I have a Johnny Lightning that we can compare. Look at this. This Johnny Lightning right here is from the same movie, The Spy Who Loved Me. And there's James Bond and Barbara Bach, who plays another secret agent. Pretty interesting. If you haven't seen it, it's a pretty cool movie. Anyways, here you go. Lotus and another Lotus. This one looks a little different. The Johnny Lightning version, you can see the back, how different it looks. And the front end also looks a little different. But pretty cool. It's supposed to be the same car from the same movie. And we can see some comparisons there. So I have that one. And that one. And this is the one that came in the Motor Show, I believe. The Motor Show set, which is available now in stores. And I picked this one up already a while back. But I've seen it this week. It's still on the pegs at Target and Walmart. And the Lotus Sprint. Not the S1, but another Lotus. And we can compare it to the new one I found, which is, I don't think it's really that new. But there it is. I think one of the newer versions of the Lotus have been in the 5-packs or 9-packs. I mean, 9-packs, probably 9-packs, 20-packs, which is the gold one. I have it right here. This is the gold one that comes in, I think comes in the 20-pack or the 9-pack. Either one, but I do have it right there in the gold. And in the gold, it looks really good too. So we do have this one right here in gold, and it looks pretty nice. I do like it a lot. And this one right here comes in one of the 5-packs, one of the Hot Wheels Exotics 5-packs. Kind of like a metallic mustard color. Another interesting casting. Let's see, it looks exactly, I think, like this one. Right, there we go. And this one right here. Look at that. Pretty cool. Bunch of really cool Lotus Sprint cars. All right, that's pretty neat. I have a nice set of different Lotus cars. And then I found this one, which was also very surprising. The Exotic Envy Hot Wheels premium sets, Hot Wheels Car Culture. I'm not sure if this is the newer one or the older one, but it's an Aston Martin Vulcan, which I have a really cool white and red and black one, but I haven't been able to find it. I opened up 11 cases and I couldn't find it, so I just gave up. But these are the cars in this set. I have a Bugatti, McLaren. There's an Aston Martin Valhalla right there, and the Lamborghini Huracan. A really nice set of Exotic Envy. And I just opened this one up. This is the first time I actually grabbed them out of the package. Wanted to wait to see it together with you guys. So here it is. So this one was there at Target today as well. I'm just like blown away when I saw these, because I was there yesterday or the day before, and they had these. They still had some of the blue Porsche and the red Mercedes and a couple of others. So I was thinking maybe to go back and buy a couple more. I like those too. I bought the Porsche and the Mercedes, but they had a few of the other ones. They look pretty nice. So they had a few premiums. They also had some trucks and some cars, and the Mustang double set. They had the Nissans. They had the Sylvia again with the truck. They had a bunch of stuff, man. I was surprised to see so many premiums there. But anyways, the two that I wound up buying were these two right here. I'll probably go back tomorrow and see and see what else they have. Maybe they have something new, I don't know. And decide if I want to get anything else. I'm trying to slow down on the premiums. They're kind of hefty price tag, a little bit more. But this Vulcan looks pretty nice. The funny thing is that I have one that looks very similar. And this one right here. And this is one of the cheaper ones that's only $1. And look how similar they look. A few differences. Of course, the wheels, the tires. This one has rubber tires, and this one has a plastic base, and this one has the metal base. The premiums always have the metal base with the rubber tires. These are plastic tires, plastic base. But the top is die-cast. Everything else is the same with like the premium. The wing is plastic. They have some tampo work up on here. That's a little different. The other one's just all plastic without any color or any decoration, I mean. And you see the differences. There's a few things. But they're so similar. It's kind of funny. I wish I could have found the white one that I have in my collection. You gotta see that one. It's pretty cool. If you haven't seen the white one, it's pretty nice. I do have this green one right here. Another different Vulcan. Also from one of the plastic base, plastic tires, dollar sets. And here's one in purple that comes in the 10-pack, I think. The 9-pack, I mean. I believe I got this one in a 9-pack in the purple, metallic purple. And one of these comes in the exotic sets. I can't remember which one. I think it's the orange. And then the green, I think, is just on a blue card. But there you see a little differences. Now this one, I thought it was purple. It looks different with the lights on. All lights pointing at this car right here. It kind of looks bluish. But I believe it's purple. I don't know. Kind of looks like a blue. Like a really dark metallic blue. I don't know, it's really confusing because I thought it was purple this whole time. It looks purple when the lights are not on it right there. The best way is to grab a blue car and compare a blue car to it. Let me see if I have something handy. Here's a blue one. Here's a blue one. Okay, let me see. Here's a blue car. It's not the same color, but yeah, it looks more blue now. Let me see this one right here. I don't know. Kind of looks blue now. Either way, it's a really nice Vulcan in that color. Right there, whatever this color is. Very interesting. So I was, just really surprised at Target today to find these premium cars and add them to the collection. I think I just got lucky with these because I didn't have them. It's kind of cool to find some cars that you don't have in your collection and add them. A lot of fun. These Hot Wheels die-cast cars are just a blast. And then I have this mini already that goes with that set right there. These two British horsepower. And it was a great reason to dig up my my James Bond Hot Wheels and show it again. I had shown this one before a while back, but what a nice Hot Wheels it is, right? I'm kind of glad I never opened this one. I'm just bummed out that I never bought another one because it's so cool. Just got one. And I would like to have one loose, but now I'm not going to open it. I think I'm just going to keep them like that because it looks so brand new now, and you can't find these that easily. Go to a flea market, I never see these there. So either way, this was a lot of fun to show you guys. And the one that Johnny Lightning makes, I never opened up neither. So these are pretty cool, pretty cool. Aston Martin Vulcan from the Exotic Envy. And then the Lotus sprit from the Lotus, from the British Horsepower. And there you go. Comes with a Jaguar, McLaren, and the Land Rover Defender hardtop. This one I saw a lot of hanging around the pegs. Looks like it was kind of like a peg warmer for a while. Then they disappeared. They always wind up selling everything no matter what. Hot Wheels just keep selling. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it interesting. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel, guys. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. I have over 3,000 videos on my channel. Lots of car videos, guys. So if you enjoy cars, check out some of my other videos. And I'll have a new one for you soon. So I'll see you in the next video.